Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about two-factor authentication. First, what is two-factor authentication? Two-factor authentication is a two-step verification or it is a security process in which users provide two different authentication factors to verify themselves. There are three factors in authentication. They are something you know, something you have, and something you are. First one is something you know. An information is classified as something you know if you store it in your memory and can retrieve it when needed. This includes password, answer to a security question, or personal identification number. Something you have. This factor refers to information that you can physically carry with you. This includes smartphone, smart card, hardware tokens, etc. And the next one is something you are. Simply, something you are is an information that is in you. That is, these are the factors by which you are uniquely identified. This includes your biometrics such as fingerprint, iris, voice print, etc. Here, as we are dealing with two factor authentication, we have chosen something you know and something you have. Password plus hardware token based authentication scheme. Here, the password provides the first factor of authentication, while the hardware token provides the second factor. The first factor is password. A password, sometimes called a passcode, is secret data, typically a string of characters, including letters, digits, or other symbols, usually used to confirm a user's identity. There are two types of passwords. First one is graphical password, second one is text password. Graphical password. A graphical password is a form of authentication using images rather than letters, digits, or special characters. Here, user first select a set of images or patterns from a large pool of images as password. There are three types in it. First one is recognition based graphical password. Here, the user is then shown one image or pattern at a time and being asked to confirm or reject each one. Next one is recall based graphical password. Here, the user is prompted to recall which images they previously selected from the pool, usually by being shown a grid of images and asked to select the correct one. And the third one is hybrid scheme. Hybrid scheme can combine two or more factors such as password plus hardware token. And the next type of password is text password. Whenever the user provides password to a device, the server matches the provided password and the password saved in the database and authenticate the user. The next factor is hardware token. Hardware security token is a physical device that provides an extra layer of security for digital authentication. It can take different forms such as USB, key fobs, etc. It can generate two types of OTPs. The first one is HOTP. HOTP means hash based one time password. The HOTP algorithm is based on HMAC algorithm, which is hash based message authentication code algorithm. It is used to generate a one time password that is valid for a single authentication attempt. HOTP works by using a shared secret key, which is typically stored securely on the user device. The HOTP algorithm combines the shared secret key with a counter value and then applies a hash function to generate a unique one time password. And the next type of OTP is time based one time password. TOTP is a type of two factor authentication that uses a time based algorithm to generate one time password. The key is used to generate a sequence of one time password that change periodically, typically every 30 seconds. The token generates the OTP by using the shared secret key and the current time. And the authentication server then generates the same one time password and compares it to the one entered by the user. If they match, the user is authenticated. Thank you.